When it comes to enhancing the beauty, comfort, and functionality of your home, installing new windows is one of the best investments you can make. For Loves Park homeowners, upgrading your windows offers not only aesthetic benefits but also substantial improvements in energy efficiency, security, and home value. Whether you're renovating an older property or designing a new one, new windows can make a significant difference. In this article, we'll explore the top benefits of installing windows in your Loves Park home. Enhanced energy efficiency. One of the most significant benefits of installing new windows in your Loves Park home is the improved energy efficiency. Older windows, especially single-pane windows, are prone to air leaks and poor insulation, making it harder to regulate the temperature inside your home. As a result, your heating and cooling systems have to work harder to maintain a comfortable indoor environment, leading to higher energy bills. Modern energy-efficient windows come with double or triple glazing, low-heat glass coatings, and argon gas fills, all of which help reduce heat transfer. These features keep your home warmer in the winter by preventing heat from escaping, while also keeping it cooler in the summer by blocking out excess heat from the sun. As a result, installing new windows can significantly reduce your energy consumption and lower your utility bills, making them a cost-effective investment in the long run. Improved curb appeal. Windows play a crucial role in the aesthetic appeal of your home. Old, outdated windows can detract from your home's overall look, while new windows can instantly refresh and modernize the appearance of your property. With a wide range of styles, materials, and finishes available, you can choose windows that complement the architectural style of your home and enhance its curb appeal. Whether you prefer the sleek, contemporary look of casement windows, the traditional charm of double-hung windows, or the expansive views offered by picture windows, installing new windows can completely transform the exterior of your home. Not only does this improve your home's visual appeal, but it can also make your property more attractive to potential buyers if you plan to sell in the future. Increased home value. When it comes to increasing the market value of your home, installing high-quality windows is one of the best ways to achieve this. Energy-efficient windows, in particular, are highly desirable to homebuyers, as they reduce future utility costs and contribute to a more comfortable living environment. Additionally, new windows enhance your home's aesthetic appeal and curb appeal, making it stand out in a competitive real estate market. Whether you're planning to sell soon or want to improve your home's value for the long term, installing new windows can yield a strong return on investment. Homes with modern, energy-efficient windows often sell faster and at a higher price point, making it a smart upgrade for any homeowner. Better indoor comfort. New windows can significantly improve the comfort of your indoor living space. Energy-efficient windows help maintain a stable indoor temperature by reducing drafts and improving insulation. This means that your home stays cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter, creating a more comfortable living environment year-round. Additionally, new windows can reduce the amount of outside noise that enters your home, particularly if you live in a busy area or near a main road. Soundproof windows or windows with multiple panes of glass help block unwanted noise, allowing you to enjoy a more peaceful and quiet environment inside your home. Improved home security. Windows are one of the most common entry points for burglars, so improving the security of your home is an important consideration when installing new windows. Modern windows come with advanced locking systems, reinforced glass, and sturdy frames, making it more difficult for intruders to break in. For even greater security, consider impact-resistant windows that are designed to withstand forced entry or severe weather conditions. These windows are built with layers of strong glass and a laminated inner layer that holds the glass together, making it much harder to shatter. Installing secure windows not only protects your home from break-ins but also gives you peace of mind knowing that your family and belongings are safe. Low maintenance and durability. One of the key advantages of installing new windows in your Loves Park home is the low maintenance and durability they offer. Older windows, particularly those made from wood, may require frequent repairs, painting, or sealing. Over time, wood can rot or warp, leading to drafts, water damage, and costly repairs. Modern windows made from vinyl, fiberglass, or composite materials are incredibly low maintenance and highly durable. These materials resist warping, fading, and rotting, which means your windows will continue to look great and perform well for years to come without needing constant attention. With easy-to-clean designs, new windows make maintaining your home simpler and more convenient. Environmental benefits. Installing energy-efficient windows also benefits the environment. By improving the insulation of your home, these windows reduce the amount of energy needed to heat or cool your home. As a result, your home consumes less energy, leading to fewer carbon emissions and a smaller environmental footprint. In today's world, where sustainability and eco-conscious living are more important than ever, choosing energy-efficient windows is a great way to contribute to a greener planet while also reaping the personal benefits of lower energy bills and a more comfortable home. Conclusion. Why install new windows in your Loves Park home? Installing new windows in your Loves Park home offers a wide range of benefits, from energy efficiency and improved security to enhanced curb appeal and increased property value. Whether you're looking to reduce your energy bills, improve your home's aesthetic charm, or increase comfort and safety, new windows are an investment that pays off in both the short and long term. With a variety of styles and materials to choose from, there's a perfect window solution to meet your needs and enhance your living space. By choosing new windows, you're making a smart upgrade that will improve the overall performance and appeal of your Loves Park home.